Oh, bro, I'm gonna make $1 million. It been 20 years, gang. Where the $1 million at? It's gonna magically appear out of thin air. Get your Houdini head ass on. Get your Chris Angel mouth ass back. It's not gonna appear, bro. Hey man, you know who it is, man. I'll be at Desmond. Look, man, for you back. Yo, no video for me, new subscribe about 40 for me, old subscribe about 40 for me, like the video for me, watch all the way through. You gunless, that's a fact whole time. But look, man, today we're gonna talk about what I'm saying. How to gain respect as a man. With my mother. I'm gonna tell y'all last that I'll be all game members, my guys. I'm gonna tell y'all how to gain respect out here with my mother whole time. But look, before I get into the video, you already know what to say, right? Like the video, with us a fat, I'm saying, subscribe now if you ain't subscribed yet, man, I'm saying. Try to notification you about to get updated when I upload a new video. That's the front I'm saying. Leave that like. That's the fact I'm saying. Leave that like. Because, man, I need to leave these likes. So I'm big up with y'all. Y'all need to boost me now. Algorithms get me all the way to the top of the mountain. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can come with me with my dad. So leave that like. That's the fact I'm saying. Leave a comment in the comments down below how you feel about the video. And do the biggest thing out of all those, bro. Subscribe. Yo, bro. If you don't subscribe, yo, bro, I'm putting these on you. I'm talking about, you feel me? I'm gonna give you one of them goddamn, you feel me? Them serious ass bus driver uppercuts. You ever seen that video on World Star when the bus driver uppercutted that girl off the bus? I'm talking about from the floor up. You feel me? Stop flowing time. But look, let me get into the video. My males, y'all gotta understand. Ladies, I know y'all love me. I'm big up with y'all. I'm pretty. I'm sexy. But y'all gotta take a step back. No, just hard. But y'all gotta take a step back and sit y'all ass down. I'm talking to my dudes in them right now. It's a fact. Look, bro. You gotta understand. The way you gain respect as a man is, first of all, my males, you have to be ambitious, man. You have to be out here grinding every single day. You have to be a go-getter, a hustler. I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler, homie. Like, you have to be Cassidy back in 06. Like, yo, bro, you have to really turn into a whole hustler out here. Gangster, because if you're not hustling, my males, you're staying complacent. And complacent men do not get respect from high-value men. They do not get respect. You see that? We all know somebody in our life who been at that same job. They've been at that same Walmart their whole life. 30 years of their life at the same restaurant. They still busting tables down. They never thought about being, you know what I mean, a manager. They never thought about being the person who owns the restaurant. They just always want to be the same position. They always want to be in the same spot. You feel me? The whole time. Never want to progress, never want to grow whole time. You feel me? Understand that this is a lot of people in your life, my males. So you have to realize you have to not be complacent. You have to be ambitious. You have to be out there constantly and seeking new adventure, my males and my females. Understand this. You basically got turned into Indiana Jones, bro. This is how you gain respect. Because you understand, people always respect somebody who's always out there going after what they got to get, man. You say you want to get a new car, you out there busting your ass to get that new car. You say you're going to take care of your family, you go out there busting your ass to take care of your family. We respect men out there, bro, who go out there and do what they need to do for themselves. You have to understand this. The next thing you need to do to gain respect as a man is you have to be a man of your word. You cannot be just saying things. Get your blabbermouth head ass on. Get your chatterbox nose ass back. You be in there just saying any and everything. Oh, bro, I'm going to make $1 million. It been 20 years, gang. Where the $1 million at? It's gonna magically appear out of thin air. Get your Houdini head ass on. Get your Chris Angel mouth ass back. It's not gonna appear, bro. You feel me? This ain't goddamn GTA. You just can't do the goddamn up, down, left, right, spin a circle around RT, and somehow, some way, money's gonna appear on the top of the screen. No, bro. This ain't a video game. Understand? You have to go out there and get what you say you're gonna get. You feel me? Understand that, my mouse. But realize, you have to say what you mean and mean what you say. Don't be saying just anything. Don't be in there telling your girlfriend you love her, but you don't really love her, bro. Don't be in there telling her, oh, baby, you're the one for me, but you out there smashing other hoes, but you in there cheating, gang, with my mother. Like, I'm not saying man can't cheat, but, bro, don't be lying. If you want other females, just say, yo, girl, I ain't gonna lie, feel me? I love you, shorty, but listen, I want to deal with other females as well, whole time. But this is a lot of dudes' problem. A lot of dudes are cowards. They're scared. They're afraid. They're afraid to go out there and take that first step whole time because they think they're going to fall the hell down. You feel me? Bro, everybody, even as a baby, you had to take baby steps. You feel me? Whole time. That's why it's called baby steps. Get your Gerber life head ass on. Get your daycare mouth ass back. Even babies, bro, they take baby steps. They fall down. They tumble. They get back up. They try to walk again and keep keep doing it until they get it right. This is how life is, my males. You have to understand this. So you cannot be just saying any and everything. People literally listen to what you say, and once your word runs out, because at the end of the day, my males, all you have is your word. Once nobody believes you, nobody cares about nothing you got to say anymore. What am I dead? You ever heard the story of the bull who cries wolf? Whole time, get your Taylor Lautner head ass on. Get your the Twilight mouth ass back. Yeah, you know the movie Twilight with the goddamn vampire and the wolf? Yeah, bro, he was crying wolf whole time, and guess what happened? He crowed. Oh my God, bro. What happened, bro? Like I was saying until I was rudely interrupted with my mother whole time. He cried wolf whole time, and guess what happened? Nobody believed him until guess what? The wolf really came, you feel me, and ate the whole village. So understand, this is why you should not be lying to yourself, especially to other people too, but not to yourself, man. Don't lie to yourself. Don't sit there as a man and say, yeah, bro, I'm gonna get my ass up today and go to the gym, and your ass still laying down in the bed, going to sleep all day. Get your sleepy mattress head ass on. Get your bed back to beyond, nose ass back. Get your Bob furniture, nose ass on. You want to be laying on all the furniture. You want to be laying on all the futons and all that with your feet kicked up, thinking that you made it or some shit. Hell nah, you ain't make nothing. You still down bad, bro, because you in there lying to yourself, and this is why you don't believe in yourself. Because know why? You lie to yourself on a daily basis. So understand this. And the third way, my males, to gain respect as a goddamn man, you need to realize this ASAP. No Rocky, like, yo, bro, realize this right now. I'm about to tell you. ASAP, no damn Rocky. You have to be able to sit there, bro, and stand up for yourself. Men respect other men who stand up for themselves. If you out here getting bullied the whole time, you feel me, gangster, get your diarrhea or wimpy kid head ass on. You in there getting bullied in school. Understand, bro, people only bullying you because they don't believe that you will stand up for yourself. When you don't stand up for yourself, people literally look at you and take your kindness for weakness, shyness for meekness, bro. Understand that, gang. I'm out here rapping on y'all ass. What am my mother? Give my, you know what I mean? Where my album at? You feel me? I don't know. It might be dropping soon, maybe next year. I don't know. You feel me? Whole time. I might turn to a rapper on y'all ass whole time, gangster. But understand, you have to stand up for yourself, because nobody gonna speak up for you. You a grown ass man. How you supposed to protect and provide for a family, but you can't even protect your damn self? You in a room, a bunch of 10 dudes, everybody look at you as a weakling, bro. Understand, you only as strong as the weakest link, and if you the weakest link, everybody's gonna pick on you. You're gonna get the short end of the stick at your every single time in every situation that you're in. So us just understand this, my males. You have to be out here, bro, and stand up for yourself. Go learn how to fight. Learn, you know what I mean? Shadow box. Do something. Go to the gym. Go, you know what I mean? Go look better, bro. Do something, bro. You feel me? You gotta do something that's more manly. You can't do the same goddamn things you've been doing in your daily routines, as in laying down, not focusing on yourself, not prioritizing the gym, not learning how to box, not doing MMA, not doing some type of martial arts of anything of any sorts to actually be able to defend yourself. So when you're in a situation that physicality might come about, you're not scared, you're not frightened. Yeah, you might be a little nervous, but you know you could beat somebody ass, you feel me? And other dudes respect other dudes who could actually put them paws on somebody. I'm talking about, yo, bro, we really in there knuckling, buckling up. I'm really in there throwing them, you feel me? Understand that, because a lot of y'all don't want to see me outside, respectfully. I really, you feel me? I'm outside. I understand that, bro. But I talk like that because I know what I can do to somebody, you feel me? So you can't be out here, bro, you know what I'm saying, as a man, and you can't even defend yourself. How the hell you a man, you can't defend yourself, you feel me? So you gonna be outside walking with your shorty, I'm gonna walk up and be like, I'm gonna push you out the way and just walk away with your girl, and you're not gonna do nothing? You're gonna be like, oh, well, I guess today was the day I lost her. Get your stupid ass on. Get your lost and found head ass on. Whole time, bro. Understand this, game. You have to be able to stand up for yourself. That requires you verbally standing up for yourself, and that requires you physically standing up for yourself, my males. These are 3 ways, my males, to gain respect. Understand this. Do all these different things, bro. Incorporate these different things into your life. And if you're literally lacking in any one of these traits that I described in the video, you have to literally work on it and improve on it every single day to get better. And I'm telling you, you're going to gain a large amount of respect from not just average Joes out here. We ain't talking about the regular dudes who don't do nothing with their life and just smoke rubber splits and smoke vapes and shit. We ain't talking about they nerd asses. We talking about the high value males, the people that you actually want to have in your network, that you want to have in your inner circle. This is why I make the videos for. We don't make videos for average ass people. We is exceptional. With my mother all the time, gangster. So understand that, man. Do all these things, man. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be safe, man. Just watch from who? Big up, y'all. Believe what I'm saying. Like the video, like this, a fan. I'm saying, subscribe now if you ain't subscribed yet, man. Show if you're to get updated and upload a new video. So, fan. I'm saying, follow me on Instagram at LBRDez, LBRDEZ. Follow my Instagram at LBRDez. YouTube for me, both in the description box and the comment section below. I do that's the fan. I'm saying, hit me point there if you need advice, me video ideas, my DMs or the comment section below. I do that's the fan. I'm saying, follow me in that TikTok, man, down to effect. I'm saying, follow me in that TikTok, man, down to effect. I'm saying, you go the way through. Mess with effect for me. Join up, be on gang walk. It's the gangway. But look, man, I'm making it work into doing that, but until then, man, y'all already know what to say, right? I ain't gonna lie, man. I know I got y'all respect, you feel me? Because I'm big over y'all. I really mean, like, big over, you know what I mean? Look at the bites, like, you know what I mean? Come on, man. You feel me? Your ladies love it. You feel me? Whole time, big over y'all, pretty and sexy. But look, ladies, I know I told y'all to take a step back at the beginning of the video. Y'all can step back into the room, you feel me, whole time. Because listen, I need some WAP right now. I ain't gonna lie. For me, one of y'all won't have to, you know what I mean? You feel me? I know y'all already, I be begging for my attention the whole time. So listen, I know it's like a contest. It's like, who can do the most for LBR? You feel me? I get it, you feel me? So look, man, be one of the ones I pick. But look, I'm about to get some WAP. But look, you be better at being a man with my mother because your ass is a boy. Get your Boys to Man head ass on. Get your SpongeBob SquarePants kelp mustache wearing ass back. But look, get you some WAP too. But I'm out there, bro.